If you're struggling with low testosterone, this video is for you. We discuss how and why we can treat low testosterone, as well as helpful advice on getting started. Testosterone is a hormone that makes men's muscles bigger, sex drive greater, moods more stable. It is naturally produced and regulated by the pituitary gland in men and by the ovaries in women. It is synthesized in the testes and then secreted, mostly by the testicular Leydig cells, into the bloodstream. The primary job of testosterone is to regulate male characteristics. It promotes an increase in muscle mass and strength, as well as sexual libido, sperm production, and fertility. Testosterone also contributes to bone growth by directing calcium and nutrients to those areas where it is needed. When an insufficient amount is secreted into the bloodstream, or if the body doesn't absorb all of it properly, men can develop a deficiency that leads to low testosterone. In most cases, you can treat low testosterone with lifestyle changes or medication. Luckily, low testosterone can be treated naturally. We'll discuss the lifestyle changes first and then move on to medication. Stay with us to know more about low testosterone levels and how to fix it. But before that, hit the subscribe button if you like this video to never miss our new plan to help you boost your metabolism. Benefits of lifestyle choices to correct low testosterone levels. Losing weight or maintaining a healthy body weight. Carrying excess body fat increases aromatase, an enzyme that converts testosterone to estrogen and can make symptoms worse. Exercising regularly also promotes aromatase, so you'll have to choose between watching your waistline or your testosterone levels. Limiting alcohol intake can help keep testosterone levels at a normal level. Alcohol has been shown to impair testosterone production by the testes and is particularly damaging to the production of sperm cells. Limiting caffeine is also advised, as it depletes nutrients and can inhibit the absorption and utilization of testosterone in high amounts. Dietary choices to correct low testosterone levels. In general, a high-fat diet will decrease your testosterone, while a low-fat diet will help maintain normal levels. For this reason, you should ensure that your fat intake stays below 30% of calories or less than 10 grams per 100 calories. You should also consume at least 25 grams of fiber per day from both grains and vegetables to help the body absorb the nutrients it needs. Eating foods high in fiber will help your body absorb the nutrients it needs. Consume plenty of lean protein to keep testosterone levels at a normal level. Lean protein helps maintain your muscle mass, which is crucial for maintaining healthy testosterone levels. However, don't overdo it on protein, as this can lead to muscle breakdown and a loss of lean mass. Dietary supplements containing D-aspartic acid, tribulus terrestris extract, or tribulus terrestris, are recommended for those who have low testosterone. These natural extracts increase the production of luteinizing hormone, LH, which is responsible for stimulating and increasing testosterone production by the pituitary gland. Low testosterone is found in both men and women. It's important to note that low levels can be harmful for both genders, but for different reasons. In men, low testosterone can cause an increase in estrogen levels and lead to male breast enlargement and other symptoms of feminization. In women, it can cause a decrease in estrogen levels, leading to osteoporosis, depression, irritability, and more serious problems. Before you decide to take any type of medication, check with your doctor first. They will be able to tell you if it is safe for you to use. Exercise to increase the testosterone level. It is important to choose an exercise program that will work best for you and your lifestyle. A program that includes both cardiovascular and resistance training is highly recommended. Cardiovascular exercise will help increase blood flow to muscles. Resistance training will help build and maintain muscle mass. You should aim for at least 45 minutes of physical activity, 5-6 days per week. This level of physical activity can also improve the quality of your sleep, which can help with some of the fatigue symptoms associated with low testosterone levels. If you're ready to learn more about how to boost your test levels naturally, do more sports. Muscle strengthening and lifting. You'll need to lift weights in order to gain strength, build muscle, improve coordination, and increase bone mass. Your muscles also need protein in order to build new cells as you're aging. In addition, lifting weights stimulates the production of human growth hormone, HGH. HGH helps protect against muscle loss as you age while giving you a healthy boost in energy. The fastest way to build muscle mass is to combine weights and resistance training, which increases the production of HGH in the body. Scaling back on additional calories may also be helpful. You'll also need to drink enough water to prevent dehydration during your workouts. Dehydration can lead to fatigue, muscle weakness, and decreased performance levels. Gymnastics. Gymnastics is a great way for older adults and adults with low testosterone levels to stay active, increase bone density, and build muscle mass. Gymnastics exercises include warm-ups, stretching, flexibility exercises, strength training, and core stability techniques. These exercises can improve energy levels while strengthening muscles and ligaments that support joint stability. And they can also help to reduce joint pain and increase flexibility. You can find gymnastics classes in gyms and fitness centers. Some schools have their own center, or you can try starting your own group. You might want to consider trying classes that are geared specifically towards adults or older adults. Testosterone is a hormone that is responsible not only for male sexuality, but also for many other functions in the body, such as having sex drive, healthy sperm production and quality of sperm, increase muscle mass, strength and fat burning capabilities, improving bone mineral density in the hip, wrist, and spine area. This will help prevent osteoporosis. The amount of testosterone that your body produces from the foods you eat and the exercises you do depends upon a number of factors, including genetics, age, overall health, and other lifestyle changes in your life. If you are overweight or obese as well as suffering from any chronic diseases such as diabetes, then it is important to investigate how to increase testosterone naturally with Panax or ginseng supplements. The fact is that testosterone levels have been on the decline for a long time now, and this has been largely proven by the fact that more men are living with low testosterone levels than ever. The effects of low testosterone levels can be seen in a number of symptoms, such as loss of libido, decreased bone density and strength, reduced muscle mass and progressivity, or increased risk of heart disease, so it's worth taking steps to increase your testosterone levels if you haven't already. We hope you enjoyed this video and learned new things about low testosterone. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Also, don't forget to let us know if this worked for you and how it affected your body. Thanks for watching this video, and if you want more videos on how to boost your metabolism and lose more weight, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos.